Hola, yo me llamo Rosie Torres. Yo soy la dueña de Torres Law Group. Yo soy una abogada de accidentes, pero yo nomás quiero decirle que si usted es la víctima de negligencia por una persona que no tenía su perro amarrado y le mordió, o si una persona cruzó una luz roja y te pegó en el carro y estás lastimado, tienes que llamar a un abogado. No puedes pelear con la aseguranza solo. La aseguranza tiene muchos abogados listos para pelear contigo, que no estás lastimado, que es todo en tu cabeza, que de verdad tienes que enseñar las pruebas. Entonces, un abogado como yo puedo mover adelante tu caso para la justicia, para que te paguen todo lo que tú mereces por el daño que te hizo esa persona manejando, no poniendo atención a la luz, que tú tenías un verde y él tenía un rojo, o que no tenía el perro amarrado en la yarda y que salió y te mordió en la pierna, en la cara, en el brazo. Yo tengo mucha experiencia representando a gente. Tengo un cliente que le mordió un perro en la pierna y en la cara. Le ganamos $325,000. Tengo clientes que han tenido accidentes de carro. Les hemos ganado más de $200,000 por una lesión en la cabeza o por el asiento que está amarrado en el carro, ¿verdad? Con la seguridad que les hace daño. Entonces, llámanos a los 800-601-3385 para que podamos platicar contigo de tus derechos para pelear con la aseguranza de tu parte. Tú no lo puedes hacer solo porque necesitas un abogado en tu lado. Gracias. Me llamo Rosie Torres de Torres Law Group. Hi, my name is Roseanne Torres, and I'm the owner of Torres Law Group. I'm a personal injury attorney in the Bay Area. I've represented clients for over 2 decades, and I'm eager to talk to you if you've been the victim of an accident. Why am I eager to talk to you? Because there are so many things you need to know if you need to recover for lost wages, medical bills, ambulance ride to the hospital after the accident, and pain and suffering. Pain and suffering is a very complicated aspect of the case. It varies for every client. It's unique to every person, just like every person is unique. In some cases, we've had clients that say, I couldn't play with my own children. I couldn't walk them to the park because I was injured my back, my neck, my ankle from the car accident when I banged my foot on the inside of my car, getting hit by a driver who T-boned me at a red light. So if you've been in an accident, why would you suffer alone? Why wouldn't you want an attorney who's experienced to explain to you what your rights are, what you have to do, and how you have to do it? We will explain that 1, you don't have to speak to the insurance company and give a recorded statement about what happened and what's going on. 2, you have to make a claim with the driver who was negligent, the driver who hit you. 3, you need to make sure you're seeing the right type of doctors for the types of injuries you have. I can't tell you how many times clients come here and say, my doctor wasn't very enthusiastic, or the ER doctors said, take these pain pills and you'll be fine. And they're not fine, and they are still in pain, and something's actually getting worse. When that pain pill starts to wear off and they stop after a few days, they realize they really weren't there to help me. And that's because at the ER, they're triaging, they're moving people very quickly. And sometimes people come in with life-threatening situations. So if you've been in an accident and it was not life-threatening, it was what we call soft tissue injury, then they're just going to give you something to take for pain. They're going to take maybe an X-ray or MRI, and they're going to send you home and say, call your primary care doctor. And if you don't, that's a problem. So while you would talk to us quickly, we'll explain and remind you why they sent you with your doctor. Your doctor can get specialists involved to find out and pinpoint exactly what's going on with you. Usually, it takes weeks for the inflammation to come down after an accident because the impact caused the tissues, the tendons, the ligaments inside your body to stretch like a rubber band. And that pain is because they're not tight and firm anymore because they've been stretched out with that impact that happened. So call us at Torres Law Group, 1-800-601-3385, and we'll explain how this is going to work, how long this might take, and how you can recover every dime worth of the loss that you suffered. You don't want to leave money on the table, and you definitely don't want to ruin your case by making some rookie mistakes because you've never been in an accident. How can you expect to know what to do if you've never been in an accident? The insurance company is banking on that, and they're calling, trying to take a recorded statement, and they're calling and trying to minimize how bad you feel, and they're calling and trying to get you to just take a small amount of money and avoid talking to a lawyer. Biggest mistake you can make. We will get you much more money than any insurance company adjuster's ever going to offer you at that stage. So call us today, 1-800-601-3385, Torres Law Group. Yo me llamo Rosanne Torres y soy la dueña del bufete Torres Law Group. Soy abogada de más de 20 años representando personas en la Bahía de California.